100 MCQs with answers on topic, structure and properties of drugs, in subject pharmaceutical chemistry. We are sharing questions and the direct answers to save your time. General syllabus has been given in our video, A1, uploaded at our YouTube channel, Pharmacy Jobs and MCQs. Structure and properties of drugs. 1. What type of bond is responsible for the helical structure of proteins? Answer: hydrogen bond. 2. Structural isomerism occurs when two compounds have the same molecular formula but differ in. Answer: connectivity of atoms. 3. Which functional group is characteristic of ketones? Answer: C=O group. 4. The most important property for a drug to cross the cell membrane is? Answer: lipid solubility. 5. Chiral molecules have the ability to? Answer: rotate plane polarized light. 6. What is a characteristic feature of aromatic compounds? Answer: alternating single and double bonds. 7. The stereochemistry that occurs when compounds are mirror images but not superimposable is? Answer: enantiomerism. 8. The presence of which functional group increases drug solubility in water? Answer: hydroxyl group. 9. Prodrugs are characterized by? Answer: being inactive until metabolized. 10. A zwitterion is a molecule that contains? Answer: both positive and negative charges. 11. The ability of a drug to bind to a receptor is termed? Answer: affinity. 12. The most common method of drug absorption across the intestinal wall is? Answer: passive diffusion. 13. Amides contain which functional group? Answer: carbonyl group. 14. The ionization of a drug depends on? Answer: the pH of the environment. 15. The strongest type of bond is? Answer: covalent bond. 16. The pH of a solution affects a drug's? Answer: ionization. 17. Lipophilicity is important for drug ability to? Answer: cross the blood-brain barrier. 18. A highly lipophilic drug typically has? Answer: high distribution into fatty tissues. 19. A drug capable of forming hydrogen bonds will have? Answer: a hydroxyl or amino group. 20. Geometrical isomerism occurs when two groups are on the? Answer: same or opposite sides of a double bond. 21. The solubility of a drug in water is increased by? Answer: increasing the temperature. 22. Which of the following is a functional group of an alcohol? Answer: O group. 23. Which of the following functional groups is associated with an ester? Answer: COO. 24. A drug with a high pKa is? Answer: less ionized at physiological pH. 25. Drugs that have a chiral center can have? Answer: optical isomers. 26. Which of the following bonds is weaker than a covalent bond? Answer: hydrogen bond. 27. A drug that easily penetrates lipid membranes is typically? Answer: lipophilic. 28. Which functional group is involved in the formation of a peptide bond? Answer: amine group. 29. The ability of a drug to pass through the blood-brain barrier depends on its? Answer: lipid solubility. 30. What is the main reason drugs are metabolized in the liver? Answer: To increase water solubility. 31. Drugs with which of the following characteristics can easily diffuse across cell membranes? Answer. Low molecular weight. 32. A molecule that donates a proton in a reaction is called a. Answer. Bronsted-Lowry acid. 33. The primary reason for using prodrugs is to. Answer. Improve bioavailability. 34. What type of interaction occurs between a drug and its receptor? Answer. Non-covalent interaction. 35. The pKa of a drug is important for. Answer. Determining its ionization at different pH values. 36. What kind of drug is known to be a prodrug? Answer. Inactive until metabolized. 37. A molecule with both a hydrophilic and hydrophobic part is called. Answer. Amphiphilic. 38. The chemical nature of a drug molecule influences its. Answer. Absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. 39. The ability of a drug to bind to a receptor is called. Answer. Affinity. 40. Which of the following is true about the solubility of an ionic drug in water? Answer. It is typically highly soluble. 41. What type of isomerism involves the spatial arrangement of atoms around a double bond? Answer. Geometrical isomerism. 42. Which functional group is present in a carboxyl group? Answer. Cu. 43. A drug that undergoes extensive metabolism in the liver before reaching systemic circulation is said to have. Answer. First-pass metabolism. 44. Which of the following factors affects drug absorption in the gastrointestinal tract? Answer. Drug solubility. 45. Drugs with a high affinity for plasma proteins are. Answer. Less available for action. 46. Which of the following is an example of a drug with a nonpolar functional group? Answer. Hydrocarbon chain. 47. The ability of a drug to interact with a specific receptor and produce a response is known as. Answer. Efficacy. 48. What is the most important property for drug penetration into cells? Answer. Lipophilicity. 49. The property of a drug that determines its ability to be absorbed is called. Answer. Bioavailability. 50. The structure of a drug molecule is crucial for its. Answer. Pharmacodynamics. 51. Which of the following is not a characteristic of drug metabolism? Answer. Occurs only in the liver. 52. What type of drug interaction is responsible for the formation of a stable drug-receptor complex? Answer. Non-covalent interaction. 53. The movement of drugs across biological membranes by passive diffusion depends on. Answer. Concentration gradient. 54. A drug's solubility in water is increased by. Answer. Adding polar functional groups. 55. Which type of bond is weaker than an ionic bond? Answer. Hydrogen bond. 56. A molecule with a large molecular weight is likely to. Answer. Have low absorption. 57. What type of chemical bond is essential for the formation of a stable drug-receptor interaction? Answer. Non-covalent bond. 58. Which of the following is the most critical for drug distribution in tissues? Answer. Lipid solubility. 59. Which type of drug is converted into its active form through metabolic reactions in the liver? Answer: prodrug. 60. Which of the following functional groups is part of an ester? Answer: COO. 61. Drugs with poor water solubility tend to have. Answer: poor bioavailability. 62. The ability of a drug to bind to a specific target is known as. Answer: affinity. 63. The ratio of drug concentration in the blood to the concentration at the site of action is called. Answer: bioavailability. 64. The bond formed between a drug molecule and a receptor is usually. Answer: non-covalent. 65. Which type of drug absorption is characterized by the drug moving against its concentration gradient? Answer: active transport. 66. The interaction between a drug and a receptor is influenced by. Answer: drug structure. 67. What is the primary mechanism by which lipophilic drugs cross cell membranes? Answer: passive diffusion. 68. The higher the pKa of a drug, the more likely it is to. Answer: remain unionized in alkaline conditions. 69. Which of the following functional groups is present in an amide? Answer: CONH2. 70. Which drug property influences its ability to pass through the blood-brain barrier? Answer: lipid solubility. 71. Which type of interaction is not involved in drug-receptor binding? Answer: covalent bonding. 72. Drugs that have a low molecular weight typically. Answer: cross cell membranes easily. 73. The charge of a drug molecule at physiological pH depends on. Answer: its pKa. 74. Drugs with a high affinity for plasma proteins tend to have. Answer: a longer half-life. 75. A prodrug is converted into its active form by. Answer: metabolism. 76. Which type of drug bond is typically the weakest? Answer: van der Waals forces. 77. The main determinant of drug absorption in the gastrointestinal tract is. Answer: drug solubility. 78. What type of bond is primarily involved in drug-receptor interactions? Answer: hydrogen bond. 79. The primary structure of a protein refers to its. Answer: amino acid sequence. 80. The main reason for the use of prodrugs is to. Answer: improve bioavailability. 81. The concept of first-pass metabolism refers to. Answer: liver metabolism of a drug before it reaches systemic circulation. 82. Which of the following is a characteristic of a lipophilic drug? Answer: it easily crosses biological membranes. 83. A molecule that is both hydrophobic and hydrophilic is termed. Answer: amphipathic. 84. Which of the following is the primary method by which drugs are excreted from the body? Answer: renal excretion. 85. The interaction between a drug and its receptor is often described as. Answer: lock and key. 86. A drug with a low bioavailability may have poor. Answer: absorption. 87. Which type of drug is designed to increase its solubility in water? Answer: salt form of a drug. 88. The process by which a drug is metabolized into an inactive form is known as. Answer: biotransformation. 89. Which of the following drug properties primarily affects its therapeutic effectiveness? Answer: bioavailability. 90. The affinity of a drug for its receptor is influenced by. Answer: the structure of the drug. 91. Which bond type is responsible for the interaction between drugs and receptors? Answer: hydrogen bonds. 92. What is the effect of increased drug ionization on absorption? Answer: it decreases absorption. 93. The physical property that allows a drug to penetrate a cell membrane is called. Answer: lipophilicity. 94. Which of the following drugs would be expected to have the best absorption in the stomach? Answer: a weak acid. 95. A drug that must be converted into an active form by metabolic processes is called a. Answer: prodrug. 96. Which of the following is not an example of a functional group in organic chemistry? Answer: methyl group. 97. The solubility of a drug in the body is directly related to its ability to. Answer: dissolve in water. 98. Which of the following properties is important for a drug to cross the blood-brain barrier? Answer: low molecular weight and high lipophilicity. 99. Which functional group is common to all alcohols? Answer: hydroxyl group O. 100. The solubility of a drug can be influenced by the presence of which of the following? Answer: pH of the solution. Regards. To get more, contact us. Majid Body Advocate, LLB, PhD Scholar, Pharmaceutics 2023-2026. Vice President, Pakistan Pharmacist Association PPA Punjab, Pakistan. +92321 4042036. Thank you.